Hello and welcome to Safe and Trusted Canada. This video is about the business content area with the basic info tab. In the basic tab, there are several entry areas for the user. The key concern is the business name, address, city, province, and postal code. Please don't copy and paste information into this area because the content management area does not allow extra characters. Sometimes the copy and paste will pick up extra spacing either before the text or after the text. If you do, the business will not be visible on the site. This area is valuable to the business owners because if they move to other locations, they can always match what they have on their Google My Business page, which increases the business's search engine optimization on Google. There is no sense having your business page having one address and having another address on Safe and Trusted. The email address never shows up for consumers in live format. The reason for the entry has to do with your free account setup and is for admin purposes only, as well as sending email notifications to the business. Receive eQuotes applies only to businesses with the standard, advanced, or professional plans. It is mainly for contractors and is up to the business if they wish to participate in eQuotes. Allow reviews means that you will allow your customers to leave reviews about your business on the Safe and Trusted website. Some businesses choose not to do this as it could be time-consuming for the company. Some business owners focus on Google reviews. One of the services Safe and Trusted Canada provides is making the Google review process more manageable through the reputation management software we provide. Your website address is your link. Take the link from your browser and place the content in the assigned space provided for this input. The contact person. Well, this could be an individual, and the individual can be searched on the site. In some cases, if the contact person is simply who answers the phone, the user can put in front desk, reception, administration, etc. Affiliations. This is where you place all the affiliations of the business. It could be an accreditation with Better Business Bureau, Home Builders Association, Chamber of Commerce, or other similar entities. It may be a required business affiliation, such as a legal affiliation. It might be a required health affiliation, such as a dentist affiliation. So if the business has a simple account, the links to any content display in an URL of that particular affiliation. The user can take that extension and place it in their browser to see the content. The professional plan is the only plan that allows direct linking. Business start date is simply the year the business started. The About Us, business detail, our ideal client, and what makes us different are all areas that allow unlimited text. Remember to be factual. When describing your business, it might be better to say what consumers say, what makes you different, as a way to confirm your actual input. Keywords. Keywords have nothing to do with Google and more about extra ways the consumer can find you on the site. Look at it as alternative names the consumer may find you under. The hiring works excellently with a professional plan. The user can link directly to a job or business website and that information, and other links can include the application and all other details. Promotions can be something that causes the consumer to select you. If you no longer offer promotions, make sure that you delete it from this part of your basic profile. Logo, this is where you can place a correctly sized logo into your listings. And page views, every listing has this in its basic tab. The number is the number of page views the listing has had in live format. A business simply logging into its account area does not add the number of views. So remember, a business owner who selects a professional plan may not need to apply for an account if they do not want to accept reviews in our system or are not interested in the eQuote system for contractors. Our admin staff will do everything, and communication to get things right can be done through the online video conferencing or email. We start with maximizing the content from your business website. Thank you very much for listening to this video.